Welcome back to Auto Review. Today, we're diving deep into a true British legend, the Bedford SJ truck, produced between 1959 and 1965. This classic commercial vehicle was once the backbone of transport across Britain and many parts of the world. Whether hauling goods through narrow English roads or working on farms in rural towns, the Bedford SJ made a name for itself with rugged reliability and timeless style. Let's start with the exterior. The design of the Bedford SJ reflected the industrial character of the 50s and early 60s. It featured a bold and upright front grille, flanked by circular headlamps and a robust metal bumper that gave it a commanding presence. Its boxy cab-over-engine layout was functional and gave drivers better road visibility. The body was typically steel with wood-paneled bed options for cargo variants. The paint options were simple, usually military green, faded red, or company-branded liveries. The wheels were modest, steel-rimmed with simple hubcaps, and its pronounced front arches gave it a solid, planted stance. The SJ was never about flash, it was a workhorse with purpose in every line and edge. Inside the Bedford SJ, things were just as utilitarian. The interior was stripped down and straightforward, built more for function than comfort. The dashboard featured basic analog gauges, typically just a speedometer, fuel level, and oil pressure. Controls were minimal, with pull switches and metal toggles, and the steering wheel was large and bus-like. Seating was bench-style, upholstered in vinyl, and capable of seating up to 3 across, though not with much cushioning. There were no luxuries like air conditioning or radio systems, though some later models saw dealer-installed extras. The cabin did offer great visibility, thanks to the large front and side windows, and a surprisingly good turning radius for such a tall and upright vehicle. Now let's talk about performance. The Bedford SJ was usually powered by a 4-cylinder petrol or diesel engine, with capacities ranging from 2.6 to 3.5 liters depending on the model and market. Horsepower numbers were modest, typically around 70 to 90 horsepower, but torque was the real story here. It had enough low-end grunt to haul serious weight, and the manual 4-speed gearbox with a long throw shifter helped drivers manage heavy loads. Suspension was leaf springs all around, making for a bouncy ride when unloaded but a stable experience when carrying cargo. Braking was via drums on all wheels, adequate for the time but would feel dated today. Still, the Bedford SJ was loved for its reliability. Mechanics were simple, and parts were easy to come by, making it a favorite for fleet managers and private haulers alike. As for pricing, back in the day, a new Bedford SJ would cost around £700 to £1,000 depending on the configuration, which was a reasonable investment for businesses. Today, if you're lucky enough to find one in restorable condition, you might pay anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000. Fully restored examples can go for as high as $15,000 to $25,000, especially if they come with original fittings and a clean history. Classic truck collectors and vintage haulers see the Bedford SJ as a gem from a bygone era, and their prices have slowly started climbing as demand grows. So there you have it, the 1959 to 1965 Bedford SJ, a tough, honest truck that carried the weight of a generation. If you enjoyed this review and want more classic truck content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Review. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.